How's it going, YouTube? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we've got another app review, or payload review I would say, for the Wi-Fi PineApple pager. Alright, so let's show you what we're going to do here. This one's pretty cool. So first I'm going to show you this. So LSBLK, if I can spell right. Alright, LSBLK. Alright, perfect. So this shows you the mounting structure of how things are mounted on your Wi-Fi PineApple pager. Now, you can see I have a USB flash drive plugged in right there. SDA1. Okay? Now, by default, it doesn't mount a USB when you plug it in. So this little payload, it mounts it. It's really simple. So let's come up here to the pager. We're going to go in here. Again, I have it in favorites. And we're going to go scroll through a couple things in here until I can find this payload. So there it is. So we'll scroll down to it. USB storage mount. Run. And this is going to go ahead and mount that USB storage, or that USB flash drive, to your device. So the payload is completed, and if you come down here and we run this again, LSBLK, you can see it is mounted to /USB. So then we can go CD/USB LS. Here you go, CD pager. Those are my main files. Here's a whole bunch of backups that I've taken of my root directory, and it backs up all my payloads and everything very easily into some tar.gz backups. So pretty cool. There's another payload for that function. And then we can also CD into root, which is I think a backup of everything easily extracted and look, so you can look at it. So that is how you would mount this USB. And then again, LSBLK, right? If you run the same payload one more time, we'll go back in there. We'll go backwards, probably easier. Yep. So then we run into that guy, and what it's going to do is it's going to unmount it, right? So if you want to remove the USB device, you should unmount it. Looks like it's got an error, probably because I'm accessing it. So let's go like this. So then let's do LSBLK. So it's still mounted. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run it again without being in the directory. It's a good safety catch, right? Because it thinks you're still writing stuff. So we'll run this one more time. It should unmount properly this time because I'm no longer in the directory, which it did. And we'll run that command again, and you can see it's no longer mounted to SDA1. So yeah, real simple payload for mounting and unmounting safely your USB device plugged into the Wi-Fi PineApple pager. That's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you then. Root Junkie out.